As global markets shift towards sustainable agriculture, corn producers face new regulations to lower the carbon intensity of ethanol-derived aviation fuel. Meeting these standards requires reducing reliance on carbon-heavy synthetic fertilizers, which contribute to greenhouse gas emissions and complicate sustainability efforts. Terreplenish, a USDA-certified bio-based product, offers a regenerative solution. Utilizing beneficial soil microbes, Terreplenish naturally fixes nitrogen and replaces up to 1/3 of synthetic fertilizers, cutting emissions and costs while recycling legacy phosphorus. By enhancing nitrogen availability and boosting crop growth, Terreplenish reduces environmental impact and aligns with low-carbon aviation fuel requirements. Beyond emissions reductions, Terreplenish improves soil health, increases nutrient uptake, and builds climate resilience, protecting crops from drought and erratic weather. Farmers using Terreplenish invest in long-term productivity while meeting evolving standards. As agriculture transitions to sustainability, Terreplenish leads the way, offering a regenerative, carbon-smart future that keeps farmers ahead of regulations and supporting ethanol-derived aviation fuel as a renewable energy source.